Are you ready to ditch the outdated marketing methods and supercharge your real estate game with Propstream? First, log into your Propstream account and navigate to the Marketing tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic begins. To create your first marketing campaign, you will need to make a list of leads. To do so, click Create List. Give your list a descriptive name so you can easily track it, and then hit Save. Now, let's use the powerful filtering tools to narrow down your target audience. You can filter by location, property type, ownership details, MLS status, and much more. Once you've got your targeted list, use the skip tracing feature to find accurate contact information for your leads, including phone numbers and email addresses. Head back to the Marketing tab to craft personalized marketing campaigns through email, direct mail, or even SMS. Propstream's templates and customization options make it easy to create compelling messages. Let's start a postcard campaign. Select a template, add property information, and include a compelling call to action. Then, Propstream handles the printing and mailing process. Finally, track your results with Propstream's built-in analytics that shows you key metrics, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact.